to Japan. So this was our first meal. Didn't really touch the salad or like that shrimp pasta thing because I'm kind of iffy about like raw food on or uncooked food that's on the plane. But I'm also watching Wicked while I eat, and the food was not that bad. Then the snack came around. This was what we had, and it was just ham and cheese sandwich. But guys, okay, this is me opening it, taking a bite, and I'm like, okay, it's kind of cold. Like, why is it so cold? And then my sister taps me on the shoulder and she said, mine's frozen. And mine wasn't as bad because my hand was like thinly laid out, but hers was clumped together, so it was like eating a frozen popsicle ham. After they turned off the lights and I decided to do a sheet mask, since I didn't have any makeup on, I just used a toner pad just to cleanse my face a bit. Then I used the Meta Healed Watermide sheet mask just for the extra hydration because it gets really dry on the plane, and I was really struggling putting this on in the dark, but I finally got it. Definitely recommend doing a sheet mask on the plane. It's so relaxing and your skin feels so nice after. Alright guys, so we just got to our hotel. It was a rough ride, but we're here. We're in Japan. So I'm going to show you guys our little room. We're only staying here for one night, which is kind of sad because it's a pretty nice room, but it is kind of far from everything, and we're going to Kyoto tomorrow. I will show you guys the room now. So starting at the door, obviously, and we have a little area for our shoes. There is a little step up here, so we have to be careful. And then there is a really nice walk-in closet, which I've never had in my life or seen in a hotel or been in a hotel this nice to have the walk-in closet. So we've just threw our suitcases in here for now, and it's so spacious. And then this is the bathroom, and when you walk in, there's like a little towel holder, hair dryer, little seat or step stool. Wait, then we have the mirror, which has a chair, which is so cool. You can sit and do your makeup and everything here. The lighting is fabulous. And then we have the bath shower area, which is super nice. And it's kind of like a onsen vibe. And then we have the toilet in a separate area and a mirror and a sink. That's nice. And for the grand finale, we have the room. When you walk in, we have 2 beds here, and then 2 beds over here, and a little cute table in the middle, which my sisters are sitting at right now. We're just chilling, vibing. Then we have a flat screen TV over here, and yeah, it's so spacious, and it's so cute because it's like all floor, tatami mat floors. It's so cushiony, and they always give us PJs too, which is so nice. And that is the official hotel room tour. Many more to come later on. But right now we are just going to head out and get something to eat because we're hungry. So we went to Family Mart, and it's literally just downstairs in the hotel lobby, which is so nice, but it's a quite small one. But this is the hall. So we got some drinks, orange juice, milk. I don't know what type of milk this is. Hopefully it's just regular milk. I just picked one in panic. Then we have family chiki. I'm finally trying it out. Then some fiber drink, egg sando, and we have coffee because we are tired. this milk pudding that I've seen that was people said is really good. And then we also got some onigiris. This one is the salmon, and then we also have the tuna mayo. And that is the haul. Yay! Yeah.
I want people to see me eat on the internet.
Oh, okay. Oh. Ooh, looks juicy. Looks very juicy. Oh my god. That's really good. It's so juicy and like, there's a lot of fat on it though.
Yeah. The skin. They just make it with the skin.
Yeah. Wait, see? Glistening. Okay, her reaction too. This is our first family chicken.
Okay. It's pretty good.
I want 10 more, please. 10 more! Okay, let's try this milk. Oh no. I think it's like soy milk.
Oh.
I think I got soy milk.
Let me try. It's just look how long you can extend the straw, and you can also bend it here too.
Oh yeah, pretty good.
It's like fruity, healthy.
You wouldn't like this. It's like,
Okay.
It's like bitter because there's no sugar in it. Yummy. Did you want to put that in here?
Put what in here?
The family chicken inside the sandwich. We also got the egg sandwich.
I heard people do that too. The tuna mayonnaise.
Okay, have some of your coffee.
Oh wait.
Oh, that's bitter. It's like milky but bitter.
Anyway, I like it. It's not mind blowing. It's just. It's still pretty good.
Egg sando. It just tastes like the ones in Korea.
Yeah.
Too.
Ours is like spicy. Add a little more flavor to it. It's not bad.
If this is spicy, it'll be good.
Yeah, right? Not bad, but not my favorite. I think it's
That's
because
like
I don't
the
really
mayo.
like egg sandwiches.
It's almost like a cheesy like egg, but like cheesy egg, but like egg yolky. To describe this. Pretty good. Alright guys, so we just basically finished eating, and lastly we have this milk pudding that I've been wanting to try because I've seen it on people's videos and they say it's really good. So this is the packaging. This is like #1 on it. Oh, we almost spilled it out. Not bad, but I don't think I like the texture of it. It's like jelly, but then really watery. Is the texture, right?
Not the texture, not the taste. It tastes too like dairy.
Well, it is milk pudding. It's a milk pudding. It tastes like Malaysian milk.
Later.
It's not really my favorite, but it's good if you like milk. Yeah, I just don't like how goopy it is. Okay, we're gonna pack up our stuff and head to Costco. We are out now. When we landed, it was 70 degrees Fahrenheit. So it was pretty warm, and now it's cooling down a bit, but we made it to Costco. We're just walking over right now, and there also is an Aeon store mall next door. We're gonna check that out too, probably after. I was trying to show you guys my outfit, but in the background was a loud screeching sound, so I had to mute the video, but I'll link everything down below. We made it to Costco, and when you walk in, there is a food court, but we were planning on buying food after we shopped, but then by the time we shopped, it was a long line, so we ended up not getting anything. And then here I filmed most of the clips with my phone because I wanted to post it on TikTok, and it was so quiet in there, so I was scared that they would not allow me to film or anything. So I try to keep the filming low key so I can show you guys what they have and their pricing. And some of the deals were actually pretty good. I definitely recommend coming here if you have a Costco membership, maybe towards the end of your trip, because since we're in the beginning of our trip, we decided not to buy as much stuff just so that we don't have to carry it around our whole trip. Kind of going fast in each clip, so feel free to pause. But I thought this fridge was so cool with the different compartments. Then downstairs they had the food section. I was just browsing around, and also had the QP mayo in 1 kg size. It was huge. I didn't get any footage of the food section, but my sister did, so I took this footage from her. But this is the seafood section. They also had this really cool green caviar. And they had more seafood, and they also did a food tasting for the a la carte pieces. So what you'll see in the next clip over, they were giving it out as a each piece as like a food tasting. And I don't eat raw fish, but my sisters did, and they got some. And they said that the lady was just opening the packaging of the sushi and just giving it out for like free tasting, I guess. Just each piece of sushi was a tasting. That's crazy. And this was the bakery section. My sister actually filmed this clip in like slow-mo, so I tried to speed it up just so that you guys can see everything in kind of like normal rate, but it's still not the fastest, I guess. But everything looks so good. Like this tiramisu cake looks so good. I would buy that, but we obviously could not finish it before we left. And also the strawberry roll cake. Oh my god, I would buy this too. That looks so good. They also had cherry panna cotta, which I'm not that big fan of a panna cotta. And then they also had blueberry crepe, which seemed pretty popular. And also this red bean and cream croissant, that seems pretty popular as well. Oh, this is cute too. It's like sake cups. It's really cute. It was some cute releases. Yeah, I used to collect them. I remember, I don't know what happened to all of them though. God, look how cute little forks for like little lunch boxes and like fruit. And then you can put them in here as in a container to keep them in. That's adorable. Alright guys, so we are at the food court in the mall. We just went to Daiso and 3 Preppy, the standard, which is like all under Daiso, but just different types of products they sell and like aesthetic, I guess. It was really big and it was really overwhelming. I did not buy anything. My sister bought something though. She bought some stationery, but we're all so tired. Like, honestly, we don't want to shop right now. We're just so tired. We're probably just gonna go back to the hotel and rest up for tomorrow when we go to Kyoto. But first, we're having dinner, and I just ordered a udon noodle. Looks like this. It just has beef in it, and then it just has an egg, which I'm just put in here. Yeah, we're just having a simple dinner just because there's not really much around our hotel to eat. We decided just to eat here first and then go back. If we're still hungry, we can always go downstairs and go to the convenience store and buy food there. So I just want to give you guys an update. I didn't really vlog much in the store just because I'm not really too sure if I'm allowed to film in there. But I just want to give you guys little clips and little glimpse of what it's like in there. It's really cute. It's obviously better than like any Daiso in the States. Asia Daiso is like on another level, okay? Yeah, sisters are ordering more food. They're gonna go order some ramen, I believe. Now I'm just waiting on them to eat. So we stopped by at Family Mart to get some dessert. Got the grape one, and this is my favorite one I've eaten in Korea, and it's so good. And also got one of these. Do what you want. The table.
Or why are you throwing this away? It's just like, oh, what is this? Who threw this away?
Sabrina, so slippery.
Why would you throw this away? You should put your shoes in here. Stupid.
Sisters, we love each other. Let's try this one first. A lot of people like this. What's the colors? Hey, you want to try green one? Try green one. Okay. Oh, I use this one. It just slipped out on my finger. Cheers. Ding.
Well,
A little cold. Not bad. I thought it was gonna be crunchy. Just
yeah, like,
pretty soft.
yeah. It's pretty good though. It tastes like grapes, like really good grapes.
Yeah.
But it's like unexpected. You like put it in your mouth and like
Just like flattens.
flattens and like it like melts.
Okay, purple side. Okay. Cheers. Oh. Not bad too. Refreshing. Refreshing. I think I prefer the green one though. Which one do you like?
I think I like the green one better too.
Yeah. So that was that. Rated A. I gave it like a 7.5 out of 10 because it was really cold. But I thought it was crunchy. That was really little crunch to it. Time for this one. You can drink it first. You just squeeze everything.
It's like milk, vanilla ice cream. Vanilla milk ice cream.
Yum, 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 yum.
Is she here? Oh, she just landed.
Our other sister, who's meeting up with us here, has just landed in Japan. We're gonna eat our ice cream now. Oh, and I'm gonna eat my peppermint chicky. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit.
Girl, you got me down so bad. I can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing. Please don't fall in love, cause I think of you all day. Yeah, I was running through my brain, can't be nothing. Cause I just know you got me thinking